Today is the day Bathfitters is going to come and tear this beast out and replace it with a new shower stall. This 20-year-old shower stall is going to be heading to the landfill shortly. It served us well, can't complain. But it is 20 years old, a bit outdated. One last look at it before the workers come. Let's go look inside. It's a nice little seat, I'll give it that. Here's a nice big shower stall. For the end of the day, that'll all be replaced. This big sheet of acrylic is the back and sides, and they're going to heat this up and then bend it at 90-degree angles. So it's all one piece. Back wall, side walls, all one. It's heated and bent to fit the space. Covered right now with a piece of plastic to protect it. There's a subway tile down below with this triangular area up above, and then more subway tile at the top. There's the base, upside down. Shelves, two corner shelves they'll put in each one of the two corners. And I suspect that is the sliding doors. Yep, they got everything out, down to the studs and the subfloor. They definitely know what they're doing. Some of the rough plumbing going in. That's the main water valve, diverter valve. The drop here goes up there, and then on up, shower head. Moving right along. It's only about 10:30 in the morning. Base is pretty much in. They put drywall over the studs, and they're putting some double-sided tape to hold up the acrylic backing. Shower head up there, diverter valve, water valve. Alright, so you're heating it and then you're going to bend it.
Yep.
There's the first bend. It's like a ridge. That's where it starts to warm it up. You can see. That's the whole interior. And here is the finished project. Two brand new doors. The whole thing is brand new. So two new sliding glass doors. Very fancy. Two heads.